This tip is going to help you create complex designs so much faster. I often talk about how we should keep our layers organized by naming them and grouping can also help with layers and alignment. But this can quickly make our files much trickier to navigate. It's hard to select an object or a specific layer on the canvas. I click on the text, but it just selects the outer layer. You could select the layer from the layers list, and if you've named your layers well enough, you can always search for them in the search box. This can require a few clicks to expand to the layer you want. Another option is that you could double click your way through your objects. With each double click, you get taken to the deeper nested layer. Or, and here's the magic trick, you could hold down Control or Command on a Mac and you can select any object by clicking it. Hold down and hover over the object to see the outline highlighted, and then click to select. This even works with selecting paths inside of your icons. Hold down Control or Command on a Mac and just click. Join us at penpot.app/courses.